my God.
An unexpected electrical surge or a major plumbing burst can destroy a property overnight. In Kampala, waiting days for a reliable technician isn't an option. It leads to massive repair costs and ruined assets. When critical infrastructure fails, you need an immediate, verified response. At the Velos Group, our Global Services division commands a 24/7 emergency dispatch network of master electricians, plumbers, and network engineers. We don't just fix problems, we secure your property against recurring failures. Fast response, absolute precision, and zero compromise. Connect with our dispatch desk today.
Zero compromise. Elite status, moving in silence. Elite status, moving in silence. Infrared tech defying the